Hey traders, you're welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for all things Forex, okay? Now, in this video, we are just going to be diving deep into one of the most powerful tools in Forex trading, and that is the Smart Money Flow Indicator. If you have been struggling to find consistent market moves, or you want to trade like the pros, then this video is for you. So let us just start with the basics. Okay, what exactly is the Smart Money Flow Indicator? Now, this tool helps traders like you and me track the movements of institutional money, the big players in the market. Okay, those are the ones we are referring to as institutional money. Now, these institutions, such as banks and hedge funds, they move large amounts of capital, and their actions often lead to significant price movements. So, understanding where they are placing their bets can give you a big advantage in your trades. Now, take a look at this chart, right? What a smart money flow indicator does is highlight the buying and selling activities of these institutions, which often signal where the market is headed. Essentially, it's a way for you to follow the smart money so you can trade with the trend rather than against it. When you see large amounts of money flowing into or out of a market, it's an indication that a significant price move may be coming. Now, you may be wondering, how do you use this indicator to your advantage? Well, one of the key things to understand is that institutional money often leads the market. So when you spot a shift in the flow of this smart money, it can be your cue to adjust your strategy. Let's say you see a lot of buying activity um from the smart money. If this buying flow is strong enough, it could signal a potential upward move in the market. On the flip side, if the smart money is moving out of the market or taking profits, it might signal a bearish reversal. This is why tracking this flow is crucial, okay, because it helps you stay ahead of the curve. So here's a concrete example. You notice how the indicator reacts when there is a sudden uptick in buying activity. You can see that the indicator just tells us, we have some buying activity, now we have some selling activity, and so on, right? Now let's talk about how to incorporate the smart money flow indicator into your trading strategy. One of the most effective ways to use this indicator is in conjunction with other tools. For instance, you can combine the smart money flow indicator with price action or support and resistance levels to confirm potential trades. Okay, so if you see a strong flow of institutional money and the price is approaching a strong support, a strong support level, that is a potential buying opportunity. Okay, on the other hand, if you notice the flow slowing down at a resistance, it could signal a reversal, right? It could signal a reversal. Could signal a reversal. All right. So in such scenarios, you might be looking out for short positions. Okay, so let's talk about risk management and how the smart money flow indicator can help. By watching the flow of institutional money, you can make smarter decisions about when to enter and exit a trade. If you're seeing heavy buying activity and the price starts to move in your favor, you can tighten your stop loss or move it to break even, giving you more flexibility while protecting your position. Similarly, if you see that the smart money is starting to pull out and you are in a trade that is moving against you, you can exit early to minimize losses. Another important thing to remember when using the smart money flow indicator is that it is not a standalone tool. Okay, while it's incredibly useful in identifying market trends, it works best when combined with other indicators like the RSI, MACD, or even candlestick patterns. Okay, so by stacking these tools together, you can get a clever and more reliable picture of the market. So, here is a quick recap of how to use the smart money flow indicator effectively. Okay, the first is for trend identification. Okay, so you want to follow the smart money to spot where the big players are placing their bets. Okay, which this indicator tries to help you, identify. Okay, so why is it a smart money indicator? You can get idea as to where the smart monies are, placing their bets. Also, this indicator helps you with early entry. You can look for buying or selling surges that precede major price moves to get in early on the trend. All right. Okay. Now we can also use this indicator for confirmation. You can use the smart money flow in conjunction with other tools like support and resistance, or the RSI confirmation. Okay, so you can use the relative strength index for confirmation. Now, talking about risk management, you can use the smart money flow indicator to adjust your stop loss and exit strategy based on the flow of money. Okay, and finally, do not rely on the indicator alone. Okay, always combine the smart money flow indicator with other tools to increase your chances of success. Okay, that is actually very, very important. So there you have it. The smart money flow indicator is a powerful tool that can help you stay ahead of the market by tracking institutional money. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, understanding the flow of smart money can give you a competitive edge and help you make more informed decisions. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, and if you want more videos on trading strategies, tools, and forex tips, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment below if you've used the smart money flow indicator before, or if you're thinking about trying it out. I'd love to hear how it has worked for you.